Today we're going to talk about concatenation. Concatenation is when you can take two cells and bring them together into one cell. So we're taking the content that is in two different cells and bringing them together into one cell. And it can either be letters or numbers. The first thing you're going to have to remember is in Microsoft Excel, you will have to start every formula off with an equal sign. Then you will list the formula, and then there will always be an open paren and a closed paren. In between the open and closed paren will be the criteria or the elements that are needed to perform the formula. So these elements in between here may change. So the first concatenation is going to be done without text. And what we're going to do is type the equal sign and then type the word concatenate. I'm double clicking on concatenate, and then it's going to guide us the rest of the way. You see the equal sign, concatenate, and then the open paren. And now it's saying to pull text 1. We're going to pull text 1 from B7. And we're going to separate each entity with a comma. Now it's asking us for the second text, and we're going to say the second text should come from C7. And then we're going to close it with the closed paren and hit enter. And now Sam Cooke's name has been brought together as one. We see the first and the last name in one cell. That's what it means to concatenate. Another way to insert concatenation is to go to the formula bar, click on the insert function, find the formula that you want, and we want to use concatenate again. And here we're going to select the first text by hitting the collapsible button. In text 2, instead of selecting his last name, we're going to push the space bar. And what happens is anytime we add text to the string of content that we want to concatenate, it's going to place it in double quotes. And now we're going to select this third text. And now the following person has been concatenated into one cell. And it leaves us with this function here. B8 is blue and C8 is red because Excel is showing us exactly how it put the formula together. Now I'm going to copy this formula and I'm going to paste it to the preceding rows. I'm going to click the drop down box for paste, and then I'm going to click on formula. And now the concatenation formula has been applied to the preceding rows. Here's what concatenation looks like in the formula bar. So let's do it over again with text. Select the first cell. We're going to put our space in there, and then we're going to select the third text. Then we're going to copy it to the preceding rows. And we're actually going to change this because I mistakenly put the wrong formula in that row. So that's the difference between concatenation as it relates to a straight concatenation with no extra text and the concatenation with text where we added a space. Without a space, the formula looks like this. So this is without text. And this particular formula is with text added. and that is concatenation.